Is this a little thing? Like my niece did this but it's been a while ago, so it's probably not even a thing. I'm just stop. Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's Equasha. I am very fed up with myself right now, and so this is an impromptu video that's going to hold me accountable for some things. So come closer. I have a secret, okay? Don't tell nobody. But I don't know how to code or like write scripts, bash scripting, and I work as a cloud engineer. Now, those two things do not go together at all. I get it, I'm aware, but here I am. I'm thriving, I'm doing real good. I got the job. My employers are very well aware of my skill level when it comes to those things. I had to interview, obviously, but I can interpret Python scripts. I can read those things and I can write them with a lot of help from the interwebs and ChatGPT, stuff like that. And I just want to be able to do it off the top of my head. Like, I'm just not used to being so reliant on other resources to complete a task. And I just feel like it's a skill you have to be a cloud engineer. Like I said, them two things, not knowing how to code and being a cloud engineer, just don't really go together. And I aspire to grow in this field. When I said that I was taking a break from tech certs, it was because I wanted to gain proficiency in Python and scripting, like bash, shell scripting and stuff like that. That was gonna be my focus. So this is what we're gonna do. And I'm just starting it. I'm gonna start it tomorrow, which will actually probably be today for you guys when I upload this, because like I said, it's impromptu. I'm gonna start tomorrow on a new series for studying Python. And like I said, I'm very reliant on like ChatGPT and like that. So I went to ChatGPT and had it create me a little 60-day study plan. Now, I know 60 days is very conservative, but I just know me and I know what I can commit to. I'm going to commit to 60 days right now. Not saying I'm going to stop after that, but that's what I can commit to right now. So that is the goal. So I already have a premium subscription in Code Academy. And so I told ChatGPT to utilize that and to also pull from other free resources on the web, because I don't want to buy anything else. I also had a Python book back there that I need to pull off the shelf, dust it off, and use that as well. So I'm going to share the resources that I'm planning to use and my journey as I go along and do this. I may start live streaming my study sessions or maybe doing a weekly recap. Let me know which one you guys would prefer, but that's really all it is to this video. I just had to come out and say that and then hold myself accountable, because this ain't gonna work. Like, I can't keep living life like this. I can't keep living life like this. I hope y'all had a good day, having a good week. It's Tuesday. We still in the first week of 2025. I know people are circling back, y'all. Y'all gotta dodge them. Dodge them. People who keep circling back, just keep them away from you. Yeah, that's all I got. But I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.